Use mold-resistant kitchen and bath silicone and impeccable surface prep to stop new caulk from molding. Choose a high-quality mold-resistant kitchen and bath, silicone labeled for bathrooms or kitchens, and check the ingredients for mold inhibitors like zinc or fungicides. Remove old caulk fully with a caulk removal tool or utility knife, then scrub the joint with a stiff brush and a mixture of 1 part household bleach to 3 parts water or a commercial mildew cleaner. Rinse thoroughly and let the joint air dry until it is completely dry, which can take several hours. For porous substrates like grout or wood, allow extra drying time and consider using a thin bead of a compatible backer rod in deep joints so the silicone only adheres to the 2 sides and cures properly. Wipe the joint with isopropyl alcohol on a clean lint-free cloth just before tooling to remove any remaining residue and oils that block adhesion. Apply a smooth, continuous bead using steady pressure from a cartridge gun, then tool the bead with a wet finger or a soft caulking tool to force the material into contact with both surfaces and remove voids that trap moisture. Cure time matters, so avoid exposing the fresh silicone to water or high humidity until the manufacturer's stated skin cure time has passed, and ideally allow full cure before showering. Common mistakes start with applying new caulk over damp or dirty surfaces, which prevents adhesion and traps moisture. So always remove old material and let the substrate reach 100% dryness before you apply new silicone. Second, people choose the wrong product. For example, using latex caulk in a shower where a kitchen and bath silicone is required. Pick a silicone labeled for mold resistance and for the specific material you are sealing. Third, poor tooling and shallow beads leave gaps and air pockets that collect water and allow mold to grow. Tool every joint immediately after application. Ensure full contact with both sides. And avoid stretching the bead too thin. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by listing local professionals and offering a discussion community where people share real-world tips about projects like mold prevention. We help contractors find work through visibility on the site, and we host community conversations for troubleshooting and recommendations.